Hello guys, my name is Pravya Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a business listing backlink. So the website name is n49.com. So now before the business listing or the business directory, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 74, and according to a similar web, this website having 48.5k monthly visitors, and the mostly traffic from Canada, US, India, UK, and the Mexico. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to brand awareness, brand building, and convergence, traffic, crawlability from that kind of countries, so must you guys have to list your businesses on that website. So now we have completed our research process, and the one thing, if you guys are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. Okay, so now we can start. So this is the website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. So from there you guys can access easily. So you can see top of the right corner there is a sign up button. You can click over there, and you guys have to create profile first. So there you guys can add your email ID, then you guys can choose your password, and you guys have to choose your username, and you can click. So we have created our profile. Before that you guys have to verify your profile, or activate your profile. So simply you can click for the confirm email button. So you can see we have completed our profile. If you wanting, so you can update your profile details if you want. So simply what we can do, we can change our username. This is a profile dashboard, so no need. So simply what we can do, we can add their username, James Bolden, and the birthday is July. Because this is a profile, person profile na, so must you can optimize it's a look like a person profile. There you guys can update your profile picture. If you haven't, I haven't, so I can going to use my picture. Sorry. Okay, then you guys have to click for the update button. James Bolden, okay, and there you guys can add James Bolden, and which British Columbia, no, provision is not. Okay, so we can optimize something, and if you haven't, so you can update your about you, what you are doing. And after that, once you guys can complete these things, then after that you guys can go for the my business section, and there you guys can see there is a button, click here to add a business. So you can click over there, and there you guys can search your business name, and the Mintonka, you can click for the. So you can see they haven't found your businesses directory on the n49.com. So simply you can click for the add this business, and you can see there is a straight address, so you can add your address, company email, so you can add sales jobma, there is a phone number, company website, there you guys can add a postal code, postcode, okay, postal code, then you guys can choose your country, so USA, provision are going to loading, Mintonka, let me check. This is straight and the Mintonka is city. Okay, got it. Neighbor. And you guys have to add your short description. So I can consider in the short description where you guys can use your keyword and you guys can add your best the whatever your title tag modifier. So best best best. Why is this change? Huh? Best video recruiting software jobma. I can going to use these things and the your business is okay. Contact name, James Bolden, and contact number. So we can going to use the same. Contact email is this. Then you can click for the continue button, and you can see after that you guys can add your category. So education and employment. So we can going to add these things. Then after that, what you guys have to do, you guys can choose your subcategory. Career counseling, and you guys have to click for the finish button. So you can see your listing is now live, and this is the URL. So you can click and we'll check. So you can see business is claimed, and yeah, go for the full description, but we right now haven't. So simply you can click for the edit business button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And there is a add a logo button. You can click over there, where you guys can update your logo details. I think something are happening. Upload a new logo. Yeah, there is a button. We can click and we can upload a logo. Yeah, so logo is updated, and there is a long description section. So there you guys can add your long description. Okay, this website is might slow, couple of slow. There you guys can add your long description, and if you guys are having any short picture, so you guys can add some pictures also, because these things can help you to boost your overall brand building. So let me check if we having any pictures. Video recruiting software. Let me click for the save, and this is a WebP file. I think they cannot going to support. I think so they can support. Okay, and you can see there is, you guys can add your business hour. So you guys can check what is your business hour. So 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. You guys have to keep this thing same for everywhere where you guys are doing business listing, or what is. you guys have to add same things. You guys can retain your what you guys are using, your business name, business addresses, and the business number, and your working business or business hours. You guys, these things you guys can keep same for the everywhere where you guys are doing business listing. So because this is considered as a NAB, Google can see your businesses, where your businesses are listed, and what you guys have provided for the email addresses, number, business addresses. These things can make your website is trustworthy according to Google. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is closed. So is there any option? I think not. And the year of established, you guys have to add your established year, 2012, and the languages is spoken is English, and the payment, display payment method, cash. We can use everything, okay, is in business, and this is the details, and we have added a map location previously. Yeah, we added website designed by SSI Jobma, and there I can going to add. Yeah, I think everything is optimized. Then you guys have to click for the save all changes. So you can see we have updated all the details. Once you guys can claim your profile, then you guys can again go for the edit button, and you guys can see a lot of options, so where you guys can update your all details about your businesses. Okay, so you can see, and also we can check this URL in incognito tab. It's a instant approved a business listing backlink, business directory backlink or not. So you can see it's opening. So it's a instant approval business listing and the business directory backlink. So, and also I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's a 100% do follow backlink, guys. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can connect with me easily if you wanting. And also I can going to tell you guys I'm living in Delhi and Gurgaon. So if any guys are from near about me and you guys can wanting to connect with me, so it's a great thing to we can connect to each other. Then you can share on knowledge, collaboration, and whatever the things. And for the last, it's a request. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.